Bro, I promise you, I'm not even on that. No. I'm telling you, I'm not.
Take that piece off.
Wow, bro, I swear to God. No.
Damn. Yo.
Hey, come on.
Yo.
I fell on that stool.
Oh, shit. Close the door. Close the door. They was holding that fucking door. Close the door. Hey, cut the music off, bro.
I think that was his game. They didn't even chase that nigga for real.
He took the chain off my neck. I just got that fucking chain. Oh, it was downstairs. I just told you. Birdman was at the same
They
studio.
just stopped walking.
In response, Druski tweeted, TMZ ain't gonna show what happened before that though. Handled mines, indicating that he had taken some action before the incident.
One thing, goddamn, ain't nobody gonna touch my motherfucking CEO, and ain't nobody gonna put their motherfucking hands on me.